Welcome back to our channel, Mahati Aira. Today I am going to tell about my parents. Let's start it. Parents, I have very sweet and loving parents. They love me very much. They help me with every step of my life. My father name is Mohan. He is a businessman. He is a very hard worker. My mother name is Madhu. She is very beautiful. She is a fashion designer. She will design for me so many dresses. And she cooks very delicious food for all of us. They help me in my studies. Both my parents teach me to be a good person. My parents are my best friends. My parents are my best friends. I always respect and obey my parents. My parents are my important for my life. I am proud of my parents, lovely parents. Thank you. Bye. నచ్చిందా అయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మీ టు మీ స్టూడెంట్స్. Bye bye.